Hello everyone, here's a quick unboxing video of a new airsoft gun that I just got in the mail. I just sliced this box open. I have not yet opened the actual box of the gun. Let's see, it is the UTG multi-shot combat commando shotgun. It shoots 3 BBs every time you cock it and pull the trigger. I bought this on Amazon.com for about $46, including the shipping. Alright, so the first thing in the box was just an invoice from Amazon. They just stuffed it with newspaper right there. And then here's the box with the gun itself. Let's open this up. It says that this shoots 280 feet per second, each BB. I'm not sure if that's true or not. Let's get this open. Oh, upside down. There we go. Here's the gun manual. M56 owner's manual, shows the full version of the stock or the sawed-off one. I wanted the smaller one, just used as a backup for my M4. As you can see, the plastic is still on there. I never opened it. Alright, so let's open it up and see what we got. Alright, so here we have our extra shell. It's supposed to come with 2 of these. I'm assuming the other one is in the gun. A few BBs, probably about 300 BBs or so. I'm not going to use them, but a speed loader right here. A sling for the gun. And then the gun itself. Yeah, it's a pretty good weight to it. It's probably heavier than most other shotguns, but then again, not too heavy or anything. Here's the rear sling mount, the front sling mount right there, trigger, pump. It's a rubberized grip. You can definitely feel the rubberized pump up here. Let's see, this is the release thing to release the shell, I believe. And I think there's only 1 shell with this. It says that it comes with 2 shells. However, there's not one in there. And this is the only one. Unless they added it separately. Nope. So yeah, it does only come with 1 shell. This red one right here, and I will probably be emailing the company about that because it specifically said it came with a black shell and a red shell. So alright, thanks for watching.